Will it fit? Do you think? This is what we're working with. This is only the beginning.
It'll fit. Fit just fine. We already tried it once. But I want to wear.
He let it breathe. He unzipped it.
Oh, here it is. I was looking for these. How should we dress for the road trip comfortably?
OOTD tomorrow. This is Alex's shirt
Are you wearing
from
that
when he was a little boy, and I took it and I cut it
Not
out.
that little.
Yeah.
That was like high school.
I cut it out. But look how cute it is now. And I'm wearing my Brandy sweatpants. And then I'm wearing my serotonin sweatshirt. Hey guys, so it is the night before we head back down to school, and we are currently doing our little last minute packing. We'll see if it's gonna fit. I will admit I have a lot of stuff. I was more organized last time and I don't know how I fit everything, so I'm kind of a little bit nervous, but
It'll be just fine. Watch. It'll be just fine. She's very stressed. Because we just got a paddleboard, so it's pretty big.
the paddleboard's so
It's
big.
really big, and
it's like half my wardrobe.
And we
It's
not
so
half
big.
your wardrobe.
It's so
You should see
big.
her wardrobe. It's...
Don't tell them that.
And then we have my big old suitcase. But
Yeah,
I think...
look at this guy. We are currently packing, and you guys are coming with me or us back down on our little road trip and back to school. Okay, so we're gonna play a little game called Is It Gonna Fit? So both of these backpacks, right? First off, I have this duffel bag. I have all this stuff down here. These are trash bags of clothes. More trash bags. I have all of this, but I'm gonna vacuum seal these. That's not for my car. I have my shoes, whatever is going on here, and then this. And I think that might be it. Oh, and this mirror. Oh my gosh. We'll see. Putting on a little show for you guys.
Oh, why are you recording?
Surprise, surprise. We actually have a lot of room in the car. And it turns out I was freaking out for nothing.
Maybe
are you kidding me right now? Whoa, who packed that?
Okay, actually, this is like the most...
Don't put it. We have so much, guys. We have so much room in the back seat, and Alex keeps...
Okay, because trunk space is the most valuable space.
Look how much room. Can you guys tell?
First of all, not that much room.
Oh, this looks scary. Sorry.
Scary.
It does.
Okay, second of all, trunk space is so good because you don't have to worry about it the whole drive. Like, you don't have to worry about anything like moving around. You don't have to worry about people breaking in your car and taking stuff. The more you can put in the trunk, the easier your life is.
Okay. Bye bye, handsome. This is so that when I'm editing, you will be remembered. She's a little vlogger too, huh? Oh, bye, Rusty. Rolova. Ha 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 ha. So cute.
I don't think it'll help to be just boxed in your room. It's not like you to lose faith in all the work you're doing out here. I think we're gonna have a wonderful time.
Look at my view.
Splats.
Splats?
It splats. It does.
Me eating with a 5-year-old.
Nice big messy.
Oh, nothing?
And I haven't felt like this in a while. I think we're gonna have a wonderful time.
How windy it is here, and I'm not wearing any pants.
So just smile and clear up your mind. Yeah.
You ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready? Flying a kite has been on my bucket list for like a long time. No, I have.
Yeah, I'm having a blast.
Not very good. Kind of.
I think we're gonna have a wonderful time. And I haven't felt like this in a while. I think we're gonna have a wonderful time. So just smile.
How are you going? I was using my technique. Wow!
And clear up your mind.
Feeling so blessed took a whole lot away from my back. And
wow, this is progress from the first time, guys. Look how far up he is. Oh no!
Oh no.
Trying to fix the mess you made.
learn to embrace where I'm at. That's my flex. We can just sit and wait for the best, but no need to stress. And once you realize that, there's no.
Okay, so you can see Alex in the boat. The audio might be actually awful right now because it's really windy. We're at the beach. The beaches are actually so nice. Sorry, I was distracted by the kite. But I wanted to do a little update pretty far into the video. So if you're here, you probably read the title, probably kind of semi know what's going on. I'm driving down to school, but Alex drove down with me from Seattle. I'm going to be heading all the way down to school for another like 6-hour drive after this weekend. So I figured I'd just vlog-ish the whole thing. Alex and I are doing a couple fun little things this weekend, so I figured I'd just add in some clips. That way I can reminisce on them while I'm editing and at school. Because I will be at school early for job training. You probably don't care about the whole spiel, but that's what's going on right now. These are the last hurrah fun days of summer before I have to pack up and move everything into a new room. But it's been a lovely, lovely summer. Hey friends. Ooh, I'm gonna wait till I get on the freeway to talk to you because no, I can do it. Hi guys, it's Melanie. I've talked early in this video. I don't know, I'm starting this off a little nervous. I'm re-entering the freeway. I've been driving. I'm giving you the whole spiel. Okay, new angle where you're just looking at the top of my head, but it's way more secure, so that's fine. But as I was saying, I didn't drive much this summer because Alex was driving a lot of it. I used to love driving and like road trips and stuff, but we did a lot of road trips this summer, so I was getting kind of tired. Long story short, I've been an anxious person this summer. I've been really nervous to I don't know, I've been nervous in general. Like if you saw in the beginning of this video, I was so sure like I was not gonna make it to Pepperdine. I was like, I'm not fitting all this crap that I have into my car. It fit and I have room to spare. I think it just showed I'm kind of pessimistic. And then I also was like, I was pretty stressed. Like I was getting stomach aches. I was sweating a bit. Really stressed about driving alone. I don't know why. I used to be really independent. You guys saw. I think the furthest I've driven though was probably to Canada from my place, which is only like 3 hours. And this is gonna be like a 5-6 hour drive. I'm only, what, an hour and a half in, but so far it's been okay. It's been pretty good. It's literally just driving straight for 6 hours on the 5 and looking at dead grass. But it's okay. It's been nice. I've been listening to my music, my recent hits. I've been listening to some new music as well. After I talk to you guys, I might call my mom. I might jam out to a bit of Taylor Swift. Obviously, that's a must-have in every single car ride. What else can I update you guys on? Honestly, something about car rides makes me kind of like nostalgic almost. I don't think it's the car ride itself. I think it has more to do with just having time to yourself to think, which I used to have a lot. I was a journaling girl, but this summer a little more busy, a little more social, so this is my first time thinking about it, reflecting on it, and I guess it's been nice in a way. Of course I am so sad that summer is over because who wouldn't be? I love summer. Okay, this lane's not going anywhere. I am excited to go back to Pepperdine. I love Pepperdine. I love Malibu. I haven't been in like Southern California or you know, my main school campus in a long time now that I think about it, and it's weird to think that I've had an equal amount of time about there as I did in London. It was kind of like I split my year, my 2021 up in 2022. What am I saying? I don't know, my school year up into like quarters, and I spent part of it in Malibu, part of it in London, part of it in Seattle, which was great. I sure did get my mix in, but I really, really, really miss the beach and the sunshine. Yeah, I don't know what it'll be like to go there again. Like, I don't know if it'll feel like home or if I'll get there and be like, wow, I miss the trees or something. I already miss my family a lot. Hi to my mom if she's watching. Hope she's probably watching. Hey mom, I'm gonna call you after this. But yeah, I'm excited that you guys are coming with me. I wanna like vlog more this year just because those are some of my favorite videos to look back on. And yeah, looking back on school is fun because school, as stressful as it can be, it doesn't last forever either, and lots of good memories there. So yeah, looking forward to the school year, to moving in today. It's gonna be a pretty full day. And when I think about it, last year I had a lot more stuff, but I also had my dad and like 5 people help me move things. So yeah, we'll see about that. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if I leave half of it in my car for 2 weeks. This stuff I don't need, obviously. I have a lot of clothes. No, I can do it. I can do it. That was a bad mindset. Anyways, gonna focus on the road and my car jams for now, but it was nice catching up with you guys, and I'll see you when I am closer to Malibu.
I'm having a blast.
Oh my goodness, guys, you can't tell, but I'm sweating. I'm actually such a hot mess. And it's dark now, but my lovely roommate, one of my roommates, helped me move all my crap inside. So this is the mess we're dealing with right now. I'm gonna try to unpack a bunch tonight. It's all the way down the hallway. But anyways, this is the room you're gonna be seeing for the next semester here. I am gonna unpack a lot tonight. It's like 8, it's not that late, which is awesome. It just is dark, I guess, but I'm gonna try to unpack as much as I can. You'll get a nice little time lapse, but trust me, I'm gonna be sweating and breaking my back over this. I'm just being dramatic. I need to chill. I need to chill. Moving's not easy. I need to accept that. I'm planning on unpacking a bunch of stuff tonight, and then hopefully I'll be able to decorate. Since I'm here, I think I explained this, but since I'm here job training, not just fun and school, I'm gonna be busy for the next couple weeks, but hopefully, not hopefully, I will make time to decorate my room because obviously I'm like that. Let's start unpacking a bit. I think I'll start with a closet. You have to start somewhere, right?
From the bed, while focus on the things they got nothing to add. After
You can see this, but I swear by this hack of keeping your clothes on the hanger and then putting a trash bag over it. I did this, I think my mom taught me about this, but I did this the first time when I moved into my first apartment in Huntington Beach, and it literally like saved so much time. It's such a great idea. If you're moving in for school and say you have like a pretty open summer, you also like, I rubber banded the top so it doesn't fly everywhere, but if you have like a pretty open summer and a lot of free time, but then say, you know, you have school starting right away, so you don't have a lot of time to pack and make your room clean, or say your move-in time is kind of late in the evening, or if you just don't want to be unpacking for a really long time, clothes is one of the things that takes the longest. And when you do this, you can literally finish unpacking the day of. It is actually so helpful. Would you look at that? Also, I did my nails like a couple days ago. The lighting's bad, but they're so cute. They're strawberries. They're gel, so they should be okay. But like, I always do my nails at the worst times. I swear, I always do it literally right before I'm moving. So hopefully I don't chip. I'll give you an update, but hopefully I don't. I'll actually be upset.
I'm at a place I never thought I'd get. We got a whole life ahead. That said, I'ma just live till I'm dead. Let's go. I think we're gonna have a wonderful time, and I haven't felt like this in a while. I think we're gonna have a
Update, it is 9:40, so I've been out this for a couple hours, and here is update. Going okay. I pretty much filled the closet up. I filled all of these drawers. Look how, go me, folded it so nicely. And then now I'm just trying to like sort all my junk out, kind of. This is like some of the decoration stuff that I brought. I'm trying to put all my accessories and whatnot away, and then also definitely not doing this today, but I have a bunch of stuff in the bathroom too that I need to figure out Okay guys, so my room is coming along well. I just pretty much need to do my bed for tonight. I always get a little carried away, so I did clean a little more than I said I would, but that's a good problem to have. I just quickly wanted to shout these out, half shout them out, because low-key they kind of don't work, but sometimes they do. I don't know, they always let a little bit of air in, and also it's easy to just like pop it somehow or do something wrong, but they're these vacuum seal bags. So this is what it looks like. It might be like, I have no gauge of weight. I was gonna say 10 pounds, but I have no clue. But it is a dense mattress. But I put in that thing, and you're gonna see how much it expands, okay? Then again, I also have some of these bags that literally did nothing. Like, it actually made things worse because the air got in and then it took up more space. So basically, it's supposed to just be a really strong seal for it. I don't know if you can tell, but my bed already be having a mattress pad on it, but I lugged this thing from Seattle, so I will be using it. Oh, where's all my other stuff? Not gonna lie, I'm not really sure why I need this. Looks kind of silly, but low-key this is kind of important. Or, okay, not important, but it makes it look so much better. It covers whatever's going on down here. I think I just got this on Amazon. Okay, so it's literally like a skirt. Like, it just stretches around your bed. I don't know, I just think it's so cute too. Like, it's a skirt. But my mattress pad is so big, so chunky, that it is like my sheet is not fitting on it. It is literally bulging out. We're gonna persevere. Making this just makes me so excited to go to sleep now. So cute. I love it. Also, look, my brother gave me this little moon globe. I think it'll look so cool as my nightlight. Looks like a ball. Can you tell? It's a moon. Anyways, I'm gonna do a little overview right now. Here's just a really quick pan around. Maybe I'll do a room tour or something. Probably will. Hey guys, so I will not lie to you. I crashed last night, like after the long drive and the unpacking, but my room looks pretty clean and is pretty much finished being unpacked now. So stay tuned for some more in-depth filming here. Room tour probably, although my room is pretty small. But hopefully I'll add more decorations so it's a little bit more interesting. But either way, thank you guys so much for coming on this journey back down to school with me. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check me out on my other socials to stay tuned for the other cool adventures. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.
Yeah, look at you, look at wow. Oh, bump it. Oh, are you recording? Stop.